Guess who's back? Back again. Alrighty, good morning, everyone. It is day 15, and here we are looking at the portfolio. Let's look week over week. Again, pretty flat, kind of what I expected for the month. Of course, it's not fully accurate as of March 23rd, but from that point, we'll say about 1.5% down. Market's been very volatile recently. Of course, with economic conditions and political conditions overseas, things like this is going to happen, or are going to happen. Excuse my poor English. But here we are. This is the portfolio so far. Some big winners, some big not so good winners, but that's okay. Again, we are looking more for buying consistency, and when those dividends start rolling in, we are going to be quite happy. So we only have $5 left for the rest of April, which kind of sucks, but that's okay. So we're definitely going to buy something today. We're going to spend some money. And I think I'm going to do two buys today. $1 a piece. We're going to put $1 into ExxonMobil. So let's buy that. And our second buy is going to be in Campbell. So let's buy that. And again, I think I've explained it a couple times before, but I don't mind explaining it again. What we're accomplishing with the buying when the stock is down is called dollar cost averaging. So when the stock is down and you buy, your average buy price continues to drop. So that if it stays flat or if it goes up, it's a little easier to actually be in the green when you're buying when it's low. Of course, that's the goal from the beginning, but you can't time these things sometimes. Like Exxon, I thought Exxon would be doing spectacular right now. But I'm assuming because of the actual cost of oil, like the barrels, everything's getting a little bit more expensive for them, so their profits might not be the exact same. Either way, not too important. But we are at 184.85. We got $3 left for the rest of April until we get paid next. And I'll see if I have any rewards from my Robinhood credit card to see if I can put a little bit in. I might do that cash out a little earlier than the end of the month, just so I have a little bit more buying power right now, just so the video isn't just a portfolio update. I think that would be kind of boring. Because I also always sell some of the positions that are up. Not my preferred method, but definitely something I can do. Now, I've been getting a few messages of people asking for recommendations for the portfolio. Of course, I'm not going to give you an exact recommendation. I can give you more of a breakdown when it comes to investing styles. But another thing I will include is if anyone wants to sign up for the brokerage Robinhood and they haven't done so prior, any referrals I get will also go towards the challenge. It's usually $5 per person. So it's not going to be make it, break it, but it is a nice little way to kind of keep going with the, I wouldn't say inconsistent pay from TikTok, but the pay isn't the most consistent, most predictable. And I like to kind of have some funds so that I can continue making the videos. So it's going to be the goal. But with that being said, that is going to be the end of the morning of day 15. We will follow up at the end of the day and kind of see where we stand and if much change or if we're just kind of flat for the day. But till then,